Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the microeconomics and the features of microeconomics in detail. Microeconomics is the branch of economics that focuses on the behavior of individual economic agents, such as consumers, firms, and industries. It examines how these agents make decisions and interact in markets to allocate scarce resources. Here are some key features of microeconomics. Individual decision-making. Microeconomics analyzes how individuals make choices in the face of limited resources and competing alternatives. It explores factors such as preferences, constraints, and utility maximization to understand how individuals allocate their income and make decisions about consumption, savings, and investment. Supply and demand. Microeconomics studies the forces of supply and demand that determine prices and quantities in specific markets. It examines how changes in factors like prices, production costs, and consumer preferences affect the equilibrium price and quantity in a market. Market structures. Microeconomics examines different market structures in which firms operate. These include perfect competition, monopoly, oligopoly, and monopolistic competition. Each market structure has distinct characteristics that affect pricing behavior, entry barriers, product differentiation, and market power. Consumer behavior. Microeconomics investigates how consumers make choices based on their preferences and budget constraints. It studies consumer demand theory, elasticity of demand, income and substitution effects, and the concept of utility to understand how changes in prices, income, and other factors influence consumer decisions. Production and costs. It examines the behavior of firms in relation to production, costs, and profit maximization. It analyzes factors of production, e.g. land, labor, capital, and production functions to determine optimal input combinations. Cost analysis, including fixed costs, variable costs, and marginal costs, helps firms make production decisions and assess profitability. Factor markets. Microeconomics also explores the markets for factors of production, such as labor and capital. It examines wage determination, labor supply and demand, and the impact of factors like education, skills, and technology on earnings and income distribution. Similarly, it studies the pricing and allocation of capital and other inputs. Efficiency and market failures. Microeconomics evaluates the efficiency of market outcomes and identifies instances where markets fail to allocate resources optimally. Market failures can arise due to externalities, e.g., pollution, public goods, asymmetric information, and imperfect competition. Microeconomics examines these market failures and explores potential remedies, such as government intervention and regulation. Welfare economics. Microeconomics assesses the economic welfare of individuals and society. It uses tools like consumer surplus, producer surplus, and social welfare functions to analyze the distributional effects of economic policies and market outcomes. Microeconomics aims to improve societal well-being by understanding the trade-offs and outcomes associated with various economic choices. Microeconomics provides a foundation for understanding the behavior of individuals and firms in specific markets, analyzing market outcomes, and evaluating the efficiency and equity implications of economic decisions. It helps inform decision-making at the micro level and contributes to broader economic understanding and policy formulation.